Make a great choice today with
the 2026 Seltos. The Kia Seltos is sure to stand out with its appealing front end. Additionally, the Seltos offers a robust number of interior features and a large amount of space for a small SUV. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, automatic air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.